Everything has changed for Bitcoin. So be ready, my friend. Yes, be ready now. As you see, guys, that the daily candle here, it finished. Today, the Bitcoin give us here a new pin bar here or a hammer here in that place, as you see it here. Now, what shall we do? Shall we enter a short or smaller time frames? Yes, also we enter a short, but here in the daily, we're still waiting. We need to wait a little bit, as I told you. Either the Bitcoin going to give us here a double top like that. That one here is going to be a double top or a cup and handle, name it whatever you want. If we break in the neckline, we're going to see Bitcoin falling down. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, what is it? The Bitcoin here going to do like that to give us here like a small double bottom here, and we're going to see it going above. But may I show you before what me I told you here? I came connecting that tail with that one here, and we make here the downtrend like that, and I told you that one here, it's the top of that flag we have in weekly. So if the Bitcoin came breaking above here, you need to enter along, my friend. By the way, before we continue it, guys, we want that video to reach to 200 likes, and know you can do it. Yes, and know you can do it. So please, my friends, smash that like button which is down and write with it a comment. Tell us your thought, what you thinking about Bitcoin, where it's going to go in the coming days. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Also, yesterday we enter a short. I showed it to you in yesterday video, but it's still active till today, as you see it here. What happened today? It's hitting the first take profit, as you see it here. Today it's hitting for us the second take profit, and we're sharing a lot of things in our VIP Discord like scalping, trading strategy, a lot of things. So if you are interested, my friend, the link of our VIP Discord via Patreon is it down in the description of that video and in the first comment. You click at the link of our Patreon, you're going to land here. Scroll a little bit down. If you came and you see it like that, from right to left if you are in the phone. If you are in the PC, that smaller arrow here till you see that VIP cryptocurrency here, or elite like that. Elite, if you want even the stock market. For cryptocurrency alone, you choose VIP cryptocurrency. You click at join, you finish the payment process. Inside Patreon, there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. That's the video, that one here. If you are in the PC, there is one video if you are in the phone. That's the video if you are in the phone. If you're facing any problem, my friend, you can text me either here in Patreon or in the free Discord, and we're going to solve that problem for you. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as I told you, now there is one of two. The Bitcoin going to give us here like that, and it's going to break above here for us to go more long with it. For the short, we are going to wait that one here down, the market to fall down to break that low of the double top or cup and handle I showed you before. The low here is going to be exactly here at 59,797. That one here exactly. That's the low of that cup and handle. That one here, if the Bitcoin break it down here, we're going to see Bitcoin falling down, and I told you the level exactly. I told you like that is going to be at 56k if the Bitcoin breaking down here. So you waiting the break where it's going to be. And also every day we came here in that channel, we show you a lot of things, because you can even make something like that, guys. You got here a triangle like that. So if the Bitcoin breaking above here, maybe we're going to see the Bitcoin jump into the sky. And today, guys, we got very important news. Before we reach to the news, let's go in now to see Bitcoin sentiment plus Bitcoin ETF inflow and outflow. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are in the Bitcoin sentiment, guys. Over here we came to the middle, we drawing there that vertical line as every time. We saw the bulls a little bit higher than the bears. That normal in those days. By the way, that the sentiment in all exchanges, guys. If we came here and we try to calculate in the percentage of the bulls versus the bears, we came to those ones they are bullish 24%. Those ones they are very bullish 17%. The total total here 41%. If we came to those ones that are bearish, 18%, and those ones that are very bearish, 10%. The total here 28%. 28% versus 41%. Which side you need to be? Me personally, at this time, no one of them is winning. It's need one of them to pass 50%. Either the bulls to pass here or the bears to pass 50%. That when us we are going to know one of them is winning. At this time there is no one is winning, and today we got very important news, guys. Now let's go into see Bitcoin ETF inflow and outflow. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys, that the Bitcoin ETF inflow and outflow. Yesterday it's been an inflow day, as you see it here. We saw a lot of green and no one is selling. Today is the opposite, as you see it here. Today we saw our friend Grayscale, they sold 151 Bitcoin. Fidelity today they sold 784 Bitcoin. That's the data we got here. The total today it's been minus 935 Bitcoin being sold today, guys. So today it's been an outflow. So I think you get the idea. Now I was going to see the coming news of today, guys. So let's go in there. Coming news of today, guys, that the news we got today. Today, one of the important days I told you about. Today, we got FOMC meeting minute. That meant today they are going to vote if they are going to cut in the coming month or they are going to pause. So you need to be careful, my friend. It's going to come at 6 o'clock GMT time. So you need to be careful. That's the most important news we got today. Over here is our friend, the table of us, as we're looking at it every day here in that channel. Look at it. All US indices today, they close in the day green. As we tell it to you yesterday in Monday candle. Nasdaq 100 closed green. SP 500 closed green. The Dow Jones closed green. So everything it's look fine. The only thing our friend here, the fair index or the VIX, scarness and the fair, it's still very high. 21.42. Also, we are very close to the bottom, guys. I'm talking here about stock market, but for Bitcoin, me personally thinking there is more dump coming than pump. So I think picture is very clear. Now we're going to see Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here, the 20 moving average, it crossed below. Then the 50 moving average. Now the next stop is it down here at the 200 moving average, exactly at 61.062. That's my view, personally thinking the Bitcoin is going to fall down to that level here. And after that, we're going to see if it's going to pump again or no, because it's possible. We need to wait to see where is the Bitcoin going to go. And that the head and shoulder, me, I told you guys, you remember it, that the head and shoulder, that's why me I don't want to repeat, but that the head and shoulder I told you before, you need to focus about it if it's going to be broken down here for you to enter more short. The levels you need to focus that them, those was the levels, guys. That level where we are here, 61,698. We got a level down here, 59,190. We got another level here, 56,466. That 59,190 and 56,466. Those ones, if you are a long-term investor, you put there pinned in orders by a certain percentage of your account. If the Bitcoin fall down and touch them, you need to buy from those levels. Because as I'll show you in the daily, me personally thinking the Bitcoin is going to fall down to touch that 56k. Then after that, maybe we're going to see a pump. And also we are ready for everything. People that are with me, they know that. Another thing very important, guys, maybe the Bitcoin going to give you here like a flag like that, as you see it here. Even that one, it's possible if the Bitcoin came and breaking above here. So everything is possible. Also we give you here for long, for short. If you want exactly when also we enter, we're putting stop loss, we're putting take profit, and we tell you what you need to do. You can join our VIP Discord. And of course, if you are interested, the link is down in description of that video and in the first comment. I was going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the Ethereum, we got a small head and shoulder here in that place here. If it's breaking the neckline, it's going to fall down again. That's the first scenario. Second scenario is it that one here, that big head and shoulder, as we show you in yesterday video. That one here. If the Ethereum fall down and breaking the neckline down here, we're going to see the Ethereum falling down very sharp down, guys. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, I tell it to you, even that one I told you got here, the downtrend here. If the Ethereum breaking above here, you need to enter along. Another thing we got here in 4 hours in the Ethereum is that flag here. That flag, I showed it to you before, and I told you for you to enter a short, it's need to break here. So it's very close to break. Even that one, it's possible, guys. So I think I explained everything, the levels you need to look close at them here in the Ethereum. One, we are in it now, that 24 here. Another level down here, 22.83, and the top level here, 25.52. So those ones, the levels you need to focus at them here in the Ethereum. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in the Ethereum, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you said, it spent all the whole day here, and me I told you, and people there with me, they know at that time there is no trading. So same thing, there is no trading here. We need that indicator of us to come to the place either where is the bulls they controlling or the bears where is they controlling. At this time also we are here in the middle, that means both of them there is a war and no one is controlling now. So the best things to do to wait till you got a clear price action and a clear direction. At this time there is no direction and you need to wait till the right time. Now let's going to see Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. All is going there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here, same thing. Look at it. That the flag I told you maybe is going to happen in 12 hours. You remember it? I just show it to you. Maybe the one, it's possible, guys. If the Bitcoin breaking above here, it's going to happen. Second thing, we just touching the top of that channel. Maybe we're going to see it, Bitcoin falling down to touch the lower here. And the lower of that channel is going to be between 58k till 57k. And me, I told you the target in daily is going to be 56k. So let's wait and see what's going to happen. Another thing we got here, is it here we got like a small head and shoulder here. Even if that one breaking the neckline, we need to enter a shot. Another very important thing, I showed it to you in yesterday video. I told you the Bitcoin going to give you here a big head and shoulder like that. If the Bitcoin breaking down here, you need to enter a short, my friend. So now I give you for long. Look at that, that downtrend here. If the Bitcoin break it here, enter a long. For short, the neckline of that head and shoulder. If the Bitcoin breaking down here, you can enter a short. Another thing you can make here, it's that flag I show you in yesterday video, if you remember, right? If the Bitcoin breaking down here, you need to enter a short, my friend. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in Bitcoin. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it here in the middle. That means there is no trading now, and we are in the same level like last week. I tell it to the people they follow me in my VIP Discord, and now I tell it to you, at this time there is no trading. Look at it here, there is no trading. We don't got a clear direction. There is no bulls controlling, no bears controlling us. We are in the middle, so you don't need to trade at this time. Now let's go to see Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So all is going there, guys. Here we are in Bitcoin in 30 minutes, guys. Here, people there with me, as we enter from here, exactly from that candle here. We enter here, it's hitting for us. Here, the first take profit. Down here, we have the second take profit. The tail of that candle here, it hit it. We make nice profit from it. Now, us, we moving stop loss to entry point. That means us, we are risk free now. And we got here like a small wage, guys. That one here, you see that one here? If the Bitcoin came and break it above here, we need to enter a long. For the short, we came to that level here. That one here, it need to be broke. That level here, it need to be broke for us to know the Bitcoin is going to fall down more. And me personally, I think it is going to fall down more. Us today, all the whole day we've been scalped from up to down. But for making serious money, us we got only that short. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in the Bitcoin, guys, in 30 minutes. Our indicator, guys, the top one, as you see it, is it down here at the oversold area. area, but the most important one is it that one here. Look at it, what it's telling us. There is no power to keep it above where is the bulls they controlling. Every time he enter again and again in the place where is the bears they controlling. That way, me I told you, us we still in a downtrend, even if we see the market like that, guys, because we got a lot of stop losses here, and every time one of them is getting liquidated, it's getting above. But look at it, it started losing the momentum. Every time it's getting smaller and smaller and smaller. So soon is going to get broke that level here, and we're going to see the Bitcoin dumping more than that, unless if today news going to tell us something positive, and we're going to see the Bitcoin jumping to the sky. So I think everything is too clear, guys. We don't need to make the video too long. So that's it for that video. By the way, if you made it from the start of the video till here, you are a very, very special subscriber. So make sure to go down and to write a hashtag, we use it together. I have done it for me to know the people that stick with me from the start of the video till here. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. So that's it for that video, guys. See you in another video. Bye for now.